This video is going to show you how to install the needle clamp on a Singer Model 201. To start off, I want to show you, oh, these are heavy. On the back side of the needle bar, there's a groove and then there's a little round cup. That's going to be very important in a second here. Because you have your lower thread guide that's on the needle clamp. This fits into that little cup section. You also have the needle body, or the needle clamp body, and there's a screw that goes on the end. The body's the same on both sides. So you also have this little flat screw which goes on the end, and that holds the needle clamp body into place, and then you have your other screw which clamps down your needle. So to start, we take our needle clamp, or our lower thread guide, and you can see it's got this loop on the end, and then also this round section. Try to get my fingers out of the way. But the body of the round section sticks out to the one side. When you have your guide, you push it into the body, and there's an area in there that this round area will fit in, the round portion. So when you look at your needle clamp from underneath, you can see there's your lower thread guide, which the loop portion is going to stick outward towards the front facing you. Now you have to hold this together. This is where it gets a little tricky. Holding it together into the body. See if we can zoom in. And then sliding it up onto the needle bar, getting that cup into the groove. And there, that one actually went on pretty easily. Then you take your little flat screw, if I'm not getting in the way, and put it on the end, because you want to clamp your body to the stem. And there's a little divot in the needle bar that there's a point on the end of the screw that it goes into. So it gets into place, it locks it into place good. Then you can put on your thumb screw for tightening down the needle, and then on your needle, see if we can get a good zoom on this. It's on autofocus. There's a groove, and you can see this groove. This groove on the needle, which you can feel with your nail, points to the throat area, so to the right side of the machine. And then there's a flat end up here on the top of the needle, which faces out to the left. So when you slide it in, with the groove in, and then you can tighten down your needle clamp, and there you have it. I know these can be confusing at times, but the important part is making sure you get this lower thread guide with that round divot sit into the body, so you'll be able to slide it up on the shaft. I hope that helps you.